let me give you a quick update on the state of the family room. It's a mess right now, you can see that, but I've got the floor is ripped up, and not only the carpet, but there was tile here, and that tile is gone too. And we've taken everything off the walls, and it's being prepped for painting. But the big news is obviously the fireplace is built. It is installed partially anyway. But the framing was done first, and then I wrapped it. You can see the framing there. And then I wrapped it with the underlayment. This is cement board. I used some Durock and Wonderboard. I don't really have a preference. It doesn't make a difference, but that's what the stone veneer is going to be adhered to. And this is the product I'm going to be getting. This is from Norstone, USA. And that is actually been shipped, and it's on its way. The fireplace is from Fireplace store, and it's an Empire Tahoe 36-inch fireplace. I cannot wait to get that done and installed. I just hooked up just yesterday. I did a mock-up of the electronics. I don't have it wired in yet, but there's an awful lot of wires underneath there. But I'll show you what it looks like. I just hit the on button here. The little clicker lights the pilot in the back, and once it realizes the pilot is lit, the fire comes on. And this works with, this is actually a thermostat too, so you can set it for thermostatic control if you wanted to. Now, of course, the logs will be placed in there and the glass will be covering it. I just turned it on temporarily just for a test. It is not a clean enough flame for it to be left open. It has to go out the vent up top, and the only way it'll do that is if the glass is on. So just for a quick test, it's not a problem, but I will definitely put the glass on and all the works in it at some point. I want to get the work done in the room first. Now, this is a revised design that I came up with for the way that the built-ins are going to look. And we have a pretty high mantle here, and the mantle is going to extend all the way over to the wall. So it's going to be one huge mantle with the built-ins, up to the built-ins. And we're going to have 3 doors on each side. And you can see that's a double cabinet, and that's a single cabinet. So that's where the 3 doors come from. And this is a little mock-up I did of what the mantle, I guess you could say, decoration is going to be. So you could see that's what it looks like. And that's the mock-up. And these are all 1x4s. And the cabinets will be attached appropriately, obviously. And the plywood will go across the whole top. I've already used my laser level to strike lines on the wall where support boards have to go. And this will be a filler strip here, and there'll be one on the other side next to the wall too. And there'll be baseboard underneath the bottom. So they will have a nice built-in look. And the stone will obviously be on the face, and it'll wrap right into the trim. So it'll look really custom and really built in. And above, I've got my boxes in there. On the left side is where I'm going to have HDMI cables and whatnot for the TV, and on the right is going to be an outlet. And I already have the mount that's going to go here to hold the TV on the fireplace on the wall up there. And the next step is for me to figure out exactly where that support is going to go underneath the cabinets, because the floor will go up to that, and the floor is the next step. So that's what I'm going to be working on over the next weekend or so, and then it's all going to get repainted. All right, stay tuned, more to come. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.